We've just acquired this Mazda 2.2 Sport. It is in incredible, fantastic condition. It's finished in beautiful mica red pearlescent. See that popping out there. Unmarked alloy wheels. It is in absolutely stunning condition. Drives superb. Rear spoiler, twin exhaust that shows the 2.2. Rear parking sensors, aftermarket admittedly. It's got the Bose speakers, half leather seats, RVM for side impact if you're going to have an accident, it warns you. 6-speed gearbox, cruise control, MP3, AUX in there, climate control. This car really is in fantastic condition. Service history is very comprehensive. It's practically, I would say, full. It's had a new timing chain, which is important because these are an issue with these. That has been replaced. So you can buy this car with confidence. I have driven it, it drives lovely. If you require any further information, please give me a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.